Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So, for today's reading, we'll be picking one card for your general energy, guys. This is for your general reading, this is for your career, and this is for your relationship, guys. So, we'll turn the cards now for your general energy. Nine of Cups. For your career, it is Six of Wands in reverse. For your relationship, Eight of Swords. Scorpios, the general energy for you all today is that you are really feeling happy for how things are going your way. This may relate to your work situation or in your personal life. You are feeling that sense of satisfaction and wish fulfillment, whatever you were hoping for. That is coming your way, guys. Things are manifesting just as they should, and you are seeing your future, successful future. So you are clearly on the path to reach that success, and you're feeling happy for it. Some kind of achievement and a sense of completion is there, and you're really happy and fortunate for that, guys. That is the way you feel today, and you feel you are in a very fortunate position today in your life, victorious, successful. So that is the energy for your daily reading, guys. And for your career situation, Six of Wands in reverse. So maybe sometimes whatever achievements or whatever it is, maybe there may be people who are helping you to reach that goals, to reach that success. So it is time you should not forget them, guys, forget their help. So you should not be giving more importance to only the role you play. You should also consider the help that other people do in your life. So that is the energy here. And maybe sometimes you may feel certain fear or apprehensions, doubts regarding something in your career, maybe when things are not going to that extent of expectation. So but things are going in a positive way, but still what you expected, that extent of results are not there, maybe sometimes. So you may have doubts or confusions regarding that, but as far as I see here, that is something very minor here, guys, because your general energy card denotes happy fulfillment and satisfaction. So whatever work you are doing, those things that you are really passionate about, you are feeling that sense of achievement and happiness, guys. That is the energy. And for your relationship, it is Eight of Swords. So the energy with that card is that, guys, you may feel that you are wasting your time and energy for nothing. So there may be struggles or some quarrels in your situation with this person, and you feel this person is trying to dominate you, and you're feeling powerless in your situation. So whatever decisions they are taking, it may not be according to your liking or whatever you have wished for, and you feel that they are trying to restrict you in some way, trap you in certain situations, or you may feel that you are in this relationship because you are feeling trapped in that situation. You don't know the way out, you don't know how to come out without hurting yourself. So you are there in this relationship with this person. So you maybe for some of you all, you may not feel totally happy to be with this person, guys. That is the energy here with this card. So you feel some kind of control or domination or restricted in this relationship. So that is the energy here. Let us see what is the angel's guidance for you all, guys. We'll be picking one card from the angel deck, guys. Be strong. So that is the angel's guidance for you all today, Scorpio. So the angel's guidance for you all, guys, is that in any situation where you are struggling or somebody is struggling, you need to be really compassionate in that situation. You have to be supportive of them, and you should not be the instructive one. You should be supportive. You should have that confidence and courage in you to pull through all the challenges that you face. And when you are up in such a stressful situation, you should never forget the friends and family you have, who you can look up to for help, guys, to be that a person of support. You can draw your strength from them. So when you do that, when you support others and when you receive support, you get that balance, strength and compassion in your life. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So you need to be the person who people look up, or you can rely on someone who you feel is strong enough for you to rely on them. And when you do that, you build a deeper bond with this person, and you open your heart to more courage and balance in your life, strength in your life. So that is the energy with this card, Scorpios, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.